lost souls on this floating piece of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he told me personally that someone here knows the way to dry land.
Dry land!
Why, yes, my flock. Dry land. We're gonna pave it and drive it, tax it and tide it. Woo! Sweet Joe above. We're gonna use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon! I won't let you! Neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner? Chuck, close the gate. The Mariner. Oh, you mean that half-man, half-fish boyfriend of yours? The one who poked out my eye?
Yeah! Is that who you're talking about? Huh? Huh?
Bring me the girl.
Oh no, our dude is hanging up there.
Oh no. Not our guy.
Smoke. Oh!
He's alive.
So you want to play games, huh? All right. Let's play. Keep an eye on her. Well, what have you got up there, boys?
We got an 8-hour! And he's got dirt!
Ooh, dirt. You see, Helen, I need another way to dry land. And so, the game is called The First Person Who Talks Lives.
Leave him alone! He doesn't know anything.
We have a winner, boys.
Don't tell him anything.
And that guy's the loser. Drop him. Helen. You're going to tell us how to do dry land. You're next.
Jet skier approaching at high speed!
Excuse me. Shoot him!
He's gone!
What do you mean he's gone?
He's gone under the water!
Mariner. That's the Mariner. Heads up. He's under the water. Shoot. What's up? Just stay there. Helen, I don't think I said anybody could leave until the party was over. You are dead! Hey, the girl, go get the girl! Oh, come on, cousin, what was that? You know, the Mariner's right there. And I can see that, I've only got one eye. Hey, Vernon, when I tell you to, I need you to take this guy's head off. Take his head off! We've got guns and he's got water and he's kicking our butts. Who trained that guy?
You did, boss.
Chuck, fix this. Are you all right? Hey, Helen! What you doing with the fish boy, huh? He's not your kind. You know, Chuck, I don't think he has a kind.
No!
Let's light him up! Hey, look at that! We've got a runner! Hey, that's where we need her, you idiot! flying fish, Chuck. All right, Mariner. Let's do this. Just you and me.
That was right where
Go
we
out
were
and
sitting
bang.
last time.
Hey! That's something on your face! You've got something on yours! Mariner? I think you got him.
Helen,
Oh.
you got something on your back. Hey, why is he still alive? I don't know. I want him dead! When you're finished, signal my seaplane. We'll blow this place to kingdom. Shut up! All right, that's my bad. Enough fun and games, Mariner. I need something with a little more kick. Ask, and you shall receive. Hey, Mariner, say hello to Big Bertha. Woo! Now, if you could just do me a big favor and stand in one spot. And now you're gonna use Chuck as a shield? I never liked Chuck.
Mariner! Mariner, no!
Yes, winner! Thank you. Golly gee, Helen, a single tear rolls down my cheek. Someone signal my seaplane. How do you like that? Looks like I might have it. Good! Yeah, well, so's your boyfriend. See that ladder? Start climbing. I've got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to dry land. Just picture now, Helen, you and me savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. All right, Helen, show me the way. No! I don't think so! It's different! Protect your facts, Helen. We've got a plane to catch. Come on, fish boy! Allow us to determine the fate of the new world. Does it belong to man or fish?
Mariner! I'll get the boat!
Oh, no, you don't, Helen. You're not going anywhere. Not with a hole in your boat. You hit my seaplane. Adios, cousins! You shot down my seaplane. Nevertheless, I got your girl. I killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You! I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. No! Yes! I, Deacon of WaterWorld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? You! Mariner!
Get the gate!
Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of WaterWorld.
The cast of WaterWorld.
Thank you folks so much for spending time with us today. You might recognize our cast from some of your favorite films and television. From The Jump, Chris Ostergaard. From The Outlaw Chronicles, Tristan Ott. From Bang Bang, Shay Kennedy. From Hawaii Five-0, Cy Mirasol. From Sparks of Hope, Paris Green. And doing that incredible 45-foot fire burn is our international acrobat, Oz Kanan. And here on the boat from Ford versus Ferrari, Emma Byers. And from Lethal Weapon, RJ Wageman. From Disciples of Deceit, I'm Trevor Fish. We hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here at Universal Studios Hollywood.